Hi, I'm Evan Matlock from Greenfield, Indiana. When Titan XC became a big player at our farm, started about 5 years ago. We had heard about it. We thought, hey, let's try it. The first year we tried test plots of it. We did a partial field of beans and a partial field of corn. And wow, did it stick out all year. You could see it visually, but at the same time, we've seen it on aerial imagery throughout the year. And then when we took it to harvest, the corn stood out about 4.8 bushels better, and the soybeans were 2.8 bushels better at that time. So when we start looking at our bottom line, we say, hey, is this a product that we need to implement here at Matlock Farms? So we took it back to the drawing board that year, and we decided to put it on about half the acres. So the half the acres that we put it on the next year, we continued to see a yield increase. So 5 years later, here we are today. We use it on every acre here at Matlock Farms. We use it on corn, soybeans, wheat, alfalfa, sorghum, and sudan grass. It works great. We spread it with our fall application in front of wheat, and then we spread the rest of it in the spring. We spread all of our corn acres in the spring. We mix the Titan XC in with potash, mez 10, elemental sulfur, and ammonium sulfate, and it works great. No issues there. We've built up our soil profile over the last couple years by using Titan XC. We'll continue to use it here on every ton of dry fertilizer that's spread from here on out. When we look at the bottom line, we figured up over 5 years' time that we have increased our corn yields anywhere from 4.8 bushels to 7.1. Our soybean bushels we've increased has been 2.2 to 3.9. And on the wheat, we recently went back to growing wheat, and we left out a trial there where we could see the difference at. And we seen 7 bushel difference on our wheat this year, this year we had pretty substantially high yielding wheat. So, in a year where you could see high yields, everybody talks about, well, you don't see big differences in low and high yielding years. Well, you're wrong, because this year it was right at 7.1 bushels better compared to the check, and that really helps out your bottom line at the end of the year. So Titan XC will be a product that will be used here at Matlock Farms from here on out, and I would highly suggest everyone to take a look at it.